Hi, in this demonstration, we'll guide you through the process of effortlessly sending personalized bulk emails via Google Spreadsheet. We have a total of 7 columns, beginning with the recipient's full name, email address, purpose of appointment, appointment date, appointment time in 24-hour format, Google Map location, and email sent on. Please note that the email sent on column automatically records the date and time the email was sent for each corresponding row. Initially, you need to input all the necessary fields. You can either input the data manually or copy and paste it from an external source. For this demonstration, I'll simply copy and paste the necessary data from an external source. Please note that we have used the same email address multiple times. Once the necessary data is filled in, navigate to the Custom menu and select Send Appointment Email. The email will be automatically dispatched to all recipients. Additionally, this app notifies the user once the email has been sent and maintains a record of the sent date and time. Let's check our email inbox. We've received 5 new emails confirming appointments. Let's open it up. This type of email template is easily customizable to suit specific needs on the back end. This app is particularly beneficial for appointment email confirmations to your customers. It's a remarkably simple and convenient solution. If you're interested in implementing this kind of app for your work or business, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team. You can find our email and website details in the descriptions. We'd be delighted to assist you further. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.